Kevin here, Farmer Equipment Sales. Today I'm going to be trying out the HLA 1500 series snow pusher. This one's a 60-inch model, and I've got the back drag option attached to it as well. And this is my John Deere 2025R tractor I'm going to be using. I also have a weight box on the back with probably 300 or 400 pounds in it. The tires are not loaded, so that's all the weight I have. We'll see how it goes. It has these Garden Pro tires, which are like the VersaTurf version you get with the 2025R. They're made by Galaxy as opposed to Carlisle, I think, makes the VersaTurfs on the 1025s. So I've never used a snow pusher before, so this will be a new experience for me. The conditions here are probably 8 to 10 inches of snow. It's been here for about a week, so it's been 2 or 3 different snowfalls that have accumulated to 8 or 10 inches. I've never cleared this new gravel area before, and I've never used a snow pusher before, so we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So my first thoughts on the snow pusher, never having used one before, compared to using the bucket on the front end loader, which I have been experimenting with a fair bit as well, there's certainly some advantages to the snow pusher. Some of the big ones being the skid shoes on the bottom, so you don't have to be worried about digging into the ground continually. It makes it a lot easier. They're adjustable to the height. The fact that it doesn't have a bottom on it, so every time that you take a scoop, you don't have to dump it back out, which takes quite a bit of time to run the loader all the way up and tilt the bucket all the way over. This, you just kind of run up the pile a little bit, then back away, and all the material releases from it. Compared to a snowblower, not quite as quick as a snowblower for sure. You can't beat a snowblower, but this is, you know, a third or a quarter of the cost of most snowblowers, whether it be a front mount or a rear mount, and it does a pretty good job for what it is. I found at the beginning of the day I was using high range, and then I found later that low range is actually better. It works better that way. I thought that at first maybe you wanted a bit of momentum to kind of charge into the snow, but I found that you're better off just kind of going slow and easy and letting the machine just kind of lug a little bit. And as I was going along, if I started to struggle or lose traction, I just lift the snow pusher up a little bit, leave a little bit of snow behind, you know, just let 4 inches of snow fall at the bottom or something as you go, and then come back a second pass to clean that up. So anyway, I'm going to do some more experimenting with the snow pusher. Might do a video sometime comparing it to using the bucket or using the snowblower. I have a front mount snowblower for this tractor. I'll get that on at some point this year as long as the snow keeps coming, and we'll do a video comparing the bucket to the snow pusher to the snowblower. Now I chose the 1500 series 60-inch snow pusher for the 2025R, and I think it seems like a good match. I don't think you'd want too much heavier on there. We can get these pushers in a whole range of sizes, colors, mounting systems to fit everything and anything almost. We just sold one recently that was 10 feet wide for a John Deere loader for one of the local towns here, and so we can get these in pretty much any configuration that you would need with or without the back drag. This is not something we're keeping in stock just right now, so make sure that you plan ahead when you're ordering those, especially if you want it in green or orange or something like that. If you're not fussy about colors, there are some things that can be got in short order occasionally, depending on what the stock is like at HLA. HLA 1500 snow pusher. Now that's farmer approved.